This furniture lifter comes in two pieces, and it snaps together with one of those little ball locks, so to speak. It is very rugged. This is pretty thick steel. The weld, a very substantial weld. 3 wheels. Good little axle there. The wall of the tubing is quite thick. So I've lifted a refrigerator, a dryer, a bed, a couch, just to try this out. The only thing is, to get it that first 1/8 of an inch, you're going to have to lift or pry that short distance, which once it's squirmed under there, then this takes over and you can use your foot to hold the thing down, hold the handle down while you're working under whatever it is. So it's a very rugged, well-designed thing, and I'm quite surprised when I really examined it how ruggedly built it is.